Yo, that's it, right? We're back in the game. Right on. So, let's rewind a little bit. Quest 1. How did it start? Potentially, it could work. Problem is that it hasn't been updated in a while. I just did the latest update, latest and greatest. It's stuck to V50 something. Hardware is it's a pretty good condition. It should work. Yeah, I just don't wanna waste too much time in trying to update the code to run this. Also, it's got some weird stuff which will not run if in the manifest there is a quest 3. It just freaks out. Oh, quest 3, nothing. Well, it is. So it needs a custom manifest, and then it breaks in OpenXR. I guess it doesn't have Vulkan enabled too, so I need to refactor the code to accept whatever is the old way of initializing it. So I need to go back a little later there, which is kind of annoying, isn't it? So I guess I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it to that for now. It might work, it might not, because I'm afraid that I'm gonna spend some time trying to get this working, and then Vulkan won't work because I don't know what extensions this thing supports, while I need plenty of them. I could do some research probably. But hey, I don't think it's gonna work. It's gonna be running that great anyway. So instead, I'm gonna focus on Quest 2, and Quest 2 is doing a great job. So let's get it running. Come on, baby. Let's just run this thing. And by the way, I just fixed the foam issue. Look at that. It's amazing. It's just duct taped. I just put some paper tape and that fixed the issue. It is not disintegrating anymore. That's good, right? But now, why is it not working? So I'm pretty sure that if I disable this, installation complete. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, installation complete. It is running. Cool. What about... So that isn't doing SM. Is it trying to run that guy? Hope not. Please don't try. Don't try to run my smartphone. Oh, come on, dude. What are you trying to do? Okay, let me start it up from here. Close the door. Back into the business. Back into the business. Back into the business. All right, unknown model. What? Quest 2. What is this? That's probably my smartphone. Cool. Cast it from there. Oh, wait, that's exactly the same. Why is it not able to cast? It did it earlier. It's not doing it anymore. And the performance is very rough. Okay, performance have degraded quite a lot. But I'm kind of pushing the device to the limit at this point. Is it running release mode? Yeah. So this big boy is running, and I'm running it to the maximum, to a very high level of distance. 7.4. 4 should be enough for this kind of device. But why is the cast not working? I feel like I have to restart it. Hope it's not gonna mess up with the webcam. Okay, and it did. I knew it. It did it. Join Lucas Discord, then ship it. Join Lucas Discord. How can I join Lucas Discord while I'm streaming? It's gonna be a mess. That is going to be a real mess. But let's do it, right? Let's ship Discord. So I'm guessing I stop my background noise. And my webcam is gone. And it's time to turn on the backup one. Where's my backup one? Bada boom. There you go. So let's see how would that work? Where's Discord? All right. Joining. And I'm in. Bada boom. Yo. Can you hear me? Okay. That's us. This is a weird twist.
I'm not gonna be chatting too much. Still a bit early.
Still a bit early. What time is it? 6 in the morning. 6 in the morning.
Morning time. Even though I've been up for damn hours now.
30 hours. Is that healthy? That's recommended, right? That's the minimum recommended by doctors.
It's like I don't know. It's like what you can mentally handle. Like I've conditioned myself over years to be able to have let's say kind of wacky sleep patterns.
So it's a superpower.
Hey, quite possibly. No, I won't be up for much longer. I was hoping Harold would come on for a little bit so I could show him some things, but it's not that important.
Guess people go out to touch some grass on Sundays.
Yeah, it was my friend's birthday last night. That's like around the time I was thinking about going to bed. He was like, "No, no, you gotta come and at least see me and hang out for a bit." I was like, "Oh, all right, fine."
What a time to be alive. So what are you up to? Doing something?
I was just blowing my nose, but damn, I was watching. There's another YouTuber, like he's a Unity dev kind of guy, and he does a post every Sunday at 6 o'clock. So I just finished watching that, and then I saw your bell notification, and I tuned in. And I guess on the side, I don't know, just doing random projects. I think I did like started like 5 different projects today.
Hmm. 5 in a day. That's a good number. But it's the number of projects that you finish that matters.
Well, it's like I was just kind of surfing for like quirky like programs, like no user interface programs, just like random ones, some ASCII art ones, and I ran into a couple that weren't compatible with like Windows and they're old, so I kind of just like remade my own version of them.
Sounds fun.
It's alright. Just a couple terminal effect stuff. And then I don't know. I got the as a I ran into another quirky one that I was like, I don't think there would have been like a simple way to recreate it because it's like emulating like a I don't know some sort of it's not quite a I don't know it's like an interface is like slightly 3D maybe or yeah it's got to be like slightly 3D somehow. I don't know what they're using, some old software. Can't even remember what it was called now. Let's see here.
Oh boy, I'm stuck.
QML. I
Oh,
don't know what that is.
QML. Wait, QML. I think I've heard it. QML.
Well, it's like in the whole program or apps, like last
Is it
couple of
Qt?
years ago. No, what did I say? QML.
Isn't QML like the Qt
It's
XML
yeah,
thing?
it's Q term widget console.
Okay.
It's like they forked it off of this thing and then they built their funny stuff on top of it, I guess. But yeah, it's not for Windows. But like I was thinking of like, damn, I kind of want to do my own virtual like Linux like I don't know it's the way to start. Like I've already started up like I can start it and it basically puts me in like a fake Linux distro and I got the folder structure and then I'm gonna hook up like events and stuff and I can put it in Unity and then I can do I don't know I was thinking of like making like maybe a simple mini game where you just kind of mess around in the terminal, and
Oh,
maybe I'll do like some extra things with Unity. I was thinking maybe you can get into a scenario where you can see through some like cameras, and I'll like set up a scene where you gotta like help a guy get through some locked doors or something like that. You kind of like hack in.
a hacking game.
There's only like I was looking at Steam too before I got like sold on it because there's only a couple games, and they're like terminal puzzles. But I was thinking more of a um like more of a like a vanilla structure where everything's kind of like mocks a Linux, so you can kind of learn Linux at the same time. But
Hmm.
like I don't know, I'll have some like funny things in there. I guess I don't know exactly where I'm going, but I'm just building the back end for now.
That's pretty cooked. I tried to implement ECS um, the other day.
Wants their own ECS.
What? Yeah, my own
Everyone wants
IPC.
their own ECS. It's
Yeah, I mean,
just
I was trying to find out. At the end of the day, it's just registry and that just
no,
like
yeah,
the
I
basics.
understand I understand the concept of it. It's like instead of like like you would reuse a lot of the same stuff in a video game, right? In all different spots, and instead of like having your update loop just kind of going call by call by call, you stack all your similar components and then you call them all at once. It like in a sense, right? So it's like it's faster. It doesn't have to like switch how it's computing. It can just do like one nice flow.
Yeah, but that's not what. That's a nice part of it. So I mean, by using a library, I would just speed it up. The fact that you have a registry and then you do the query, the views, and that kind of stuff. But the ECS implementation, then it really depends on how when you start creating the components. So I think uh, using a library. But then I stopped because none of the libraries that I tried worked. So Entity, which is the most, I mean, at least for the C++, is the most common one. I didn't build because I'm using C++ 23, minimum 20, because I'm using modules, and that is expected to have 17. It says 17 and above, but then it's not above because it doesn't compile on 20. So I left that and I tried another one, Flex.
Damn, you had to degrade your fucking C compiler for
Yeah,
the entity package. Gross.
yeah. And then I tried the other one and it didn't compile. It was having another set of C++ issues, and then what I just gave up because then I wasn't really happy about how ECS works, and I was trying to find out, okay, when do I initialize my GPU resources? And one of the solutions that the LLM was suggesting me is to create a component that is like ephemeral. When you create the entity, you have a component that says a flag component, need to initialize resources, and then the system would check if there is any entity with that need to be initialized, has this component, then it removes the component. That like the whole flow is data driven. It's not that great, to be honest. It
Mm,
feels a
I don't know
bit, yeah, it feels a bit,
from
I don't know, forced.
it like when I was in Unity, like I could see the use for it, but I wouldn't like opt into it until like I absolutely needed it. Like it wouldn't be something I'd put in everything, right? Like if I had like bullet hell and like a big factor was spawning bullets constantly, then maybe I would consider it, right? But
Yeah, well, it
like for
makes
my
sense for something like if you have a bunch of mesh components, then it makes sense for the render system to just draw them all at once. But then when it's about collisions, and I would rather have like a callback, just like Unreal does. Unreal feels very nice to me because you have the component, and then you have callbacks to the components because you still have the player class, which has some behavior. and then the component really are proxies to the underlying like ECS component, like the data-driven stuff, which is a proxy to the rendering component, which is much more tightly packed and a bit more unreadable to the human.
Damn. Whenever like you try to make things more readable and more like generic, you just end up with way more boilerplate. I feel like I'm so like on the static and strict, like only like abstract when it's like absolutely needed, where you can see like a clear placement. But another thing I was gonna say is like from my research that I've done in like game development as a whole, just like anything that like is like for like an indie dev, like trying to like talk to GPU, it's like especially NVIDIA, it's almost like impossible. So it's like I'm like on the side where it's like, because like Unity is like that's my main game engine, and like at some point they're going full entities. Like right now they're still kind of game object, and you can opt into entities, but then they're gonna redo the engine so like entity is the main framework, so you're gonna like be using it all the time. And I don't know, I feel like I'll just be patient and wait instead of trying to, because I'm just gonna have to you know um, cook up my own kind of solution, or I'm not that smart. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I was wrong. I'll
So
be here
much
for like an
for
hour. Yeah, and then I'll go again, and then I'll be back after like another hour.
I'm not too sure what the hell I'm doing. I
Oh, by the
still haven't
way,
slept yet.
just for a matter of consent, you are live on my channel.
Oh, that's great.
Okay.
We can actually
You,
go down to the live. You're
yeah,
not
well,
muted
exactly.
down there, right?
Yeah, we can.
That'd
Yeah,
be
you're.
so no randoms come in here. That's
Yeah,
probably better.
I'll do that.
Hey.
Okay,
Yo.
now we live.
Now only the
Yeah, also you do have my consent. I'm not looking at his live streams anyways, so.
Okay.
Lucas won't be coming in here to live stream for a fat minute, so
Yeah.
Yeah, we're talking about ECS and how they sucks.
How they suck? Yeah, I know they suck.
all right, Harold, I got a couple things to show you.
Mm-hmm.
It's a new morning, new day.
But you still haven't slept.
No, I'm
Oh
cooking.
my god, bro.
I'm cooking.
How?
It was Darcy's birthday yesterday, and like around the time where I was gonna go to bed, like they were telling me to come up and hang out, so I did. And then I was wide awake, and then I came back. Like I was at the party, and all I could think about was all this shit I could be cooking.
Mm,
And I came home
yes,
and just started cooking.
bro. Bro, really have a like. Okay, for everyone listening, for me it's 15 right now. That's like 3 p.m. Right?
Mm,
Yeah.
I went to sleep at like 1 p.m. and Damon was still up, and then we had been talking for 3 hours, and we had been live for like 3 hours. So
mm.
bro has been awake for like I don't know 40 hours.
30, 30 and a
30,
half,
yeah.
But like
Oh.
I'm kind of cooked. I could still go for a bit. I really wanted to show you some things, but fuck, it'll take me a minute to here to.
Yeah, that's no issue. That's no issue. I got to fix Lucas's app anyways.
Uh, fix his app. No, here let's CD desktop test film random shit. We'll just go in here. We'll go what was it? It was we did the figlet, right?
Yes.
All right, but we didn't do Harold. We didn't do the cow say. Damn, I don't know why it. Meh. Just hi. How about hi? Look at the little cow. Damn, we lost him, boys.
Damn.
You watching?
Who's watching?
Yes.
Oh no, not you. I'm trying to showcase Harold some of these things here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so we got Cause, right? And then we have
Mm-hmm.
Cause lolcat. So we can go like
Oh, that's nice.
lolcat. We go bam. You kind of just whatever. You just pipe it into it. And
Damn, that's crazy.
what else here?
So that's the next thing that should happen here.
Go like cat.
Car.
I'll try to pop this out.
LOL cat JS. Right? You get
Nice.
the gist.
Yeah.
And then we got let's do no CD. Wait. What do we have in here? We got CD.
Actually, let's not save what you're doing. I don't think it's gonna save it.
It didn't save it.
Yeah.
No, it's cat one.
Well,
Okay, there we
That's
go.
fine.
So now we go cat, this one, and then we pipe it into NWS.
set.
No.
NSFW. Yeah.
How do I get it to fucking show all of them?
I just press tab 2 times.
Damn, I'm doing that. It's fucking. I'll just look. It's in tools.
Update. So what is
NMS.
what is going wrong here?
NMS. Alright, and then it. Oh, damn.
So what if I move the physics update?
We need to go. Cat. Input is empty. Alright, let's go. Damn, why is it fucking.
Don't
Is
steal
this shit in here? It fucking lied to me. How the fuck?
How do I move that? The braking.
Did I try to do the wrong thing? I did. Alright, here we go. You ready?
Yes.
Alright. Let's actually
So generate.
this junk. Cat.
Just make it dirty. And the generation.
Alright. There you go. You see that?
Yeah.
And then you press enter.
Damn.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
crazy. He's hacking into the mainframe.
Yeah, so you can. Yeah, there you go. You go like.
Find
Type
the
it
chunk.
less if you want. Go.
Block data. So that's the chunk that needs to be regenerated.
Does this
Yeah.
beep boop?
We need to make sure that this chunk is generated. The chunk gets generated on the thread.
And then you pipe that into that.
This is Windows, but
Okay.
let's go.
So how do you make the chunk generate on
Task. There we go. This one here.
on the so generate chunks is gonna generate all the neighbors that
Looks nice.
It's
it's gonna create those things. Regenerate. Okay, that could make sense. Chunk indices.
Bro's gonna have so much brain rot.
Alright, and then I saved the best one for last. This one you're gonna love. Right, you ready?
Yes.
Chunk indices. Okay, so this is where we find the chunks that need to be regenerated. Chunk indices only if it's not there. Or it is dirty. If it's dirty, it's gonna regenerate it.
Damn, you got sounds on?
Yeah.
Hear it?
Yeah. That's nice. Best code editor ever.
Regenerate. Oh. Regenerate.
It's so fucking stupid.
Okay, so
I like the
regenerate.
logo also.
Regenerate can be used.
Yeah, that's the
Likely here. With the end or it regenerate.
Oh my god.
Chunks regenerate, bro. That's a chunk, right? Yeah, regenerate. I guess it doesn't know it yet. Nobody can force it. And place neighbor and IT. That's a chunk.
See this?
So if the chunk is
You're a hacker, bro.
IT,
This is it's a fake.
or the chunk needs to be regenerated.
Linux, yeah.
Yeah, fake Linux. And I was thinking about doing the back end for it now. I was gonna hook it up, make it a game, so it's like gonna be inside the Linux system here. Who knows?
Yeah, like update all the packages without crashing your system.
Well, it's all fake. Like nothing in here is real.
Okay,
Right?
then
Yeah, we'll see.
So we can make a game out of this somehow. It's a good idea. I'm just too cooked to make it sound dope.
Nice, Jason.
da qualche parte c'è il bene buono.
Non trovo mai.
La borsettina, quella trasparente? Che so, cioè. Oh.
Okay. That is super. Daddy, I did something super. A bridge, but it would be awesome. Mettete a posto, domani sono lì, no? Di merda.
Damn, I've been generating fucking subtitles for the last 2 days straight.
Can't you just like do it on a server?
I actually can. It would be like I got like it's you need a CUDA GPU. I don't have that. I don't know. What the fuck do I got? But so it runs on the CPU. But like this CPU on my computer is like so much better. It's fucking
Yes.
yeah. It's the AMD Ryzen. definitely take longer to generate, but like I would don't really care, right? I just cook it and not let it roast my computer.
Yeah.
Not that it really does, but I think that one will be moving to my server.
All right, once this is done,
Get voice.
this is dirty, and then regenerate's gonna be false. And the same happens here.
This is gonna be awesome.
So remove the old one. And that should do it. Let's see. This way should avoid the hiccup.
Check.
And falling. We are falling in the world. Falling in the world. Hey, where'd she go? Look at that tunnel.
There was something else I did too, but I can't remember.
Yeah, probably something awesome.
I did a cross bridge.
Ah.
A bridge that crosses.
Yeah.
That if you go on the bridge, if you need to go from one place, you see my bridge, and instead of going just in one direction, you can go in 4 directions. Oblique, no. For oblique, you need to swim.
Okay, that didn't work, right?
You want on the
Nope. So wait, it is needs update. So it actually generated the physics block. Let's see. Let me try to break into the point.
What was that date now? 2021? What the fuck? Get out of here. I said get, boy.
All right, so that should be good. No, it shouldn't break there at the moment. And as soon as I build something, boom, stop by. We have the chunk 39 to be regenerated. Let's see what's the path it takes. Okay, what did you do? Nothing. Okay. Zone scoped. Chunks to generate. That is 1. And the neighbors. There should be only. Wait, what? Why is that much? That amount of neighbors.
1 million neighbors it needs.
Yeah, why there are so many?
Because the neighbor is the neighbor,
chunk
the neighbor's head,
indices.
the neighbor head, the neighbor.
Chunk indices. Oh, that's all the neighbors. Chunk indices. Ah, okay. No, that's not how it's supposed to work. So chunks to generate is only 1. These are all the neighbors that need to be generated. Are you trying to regenerate all of these? Not really. So what is it gonna do now? Find. Check if it's already present. Okay. So this is gonna check if it's already present. And if it needs, okay, maybe I can set it here. Set the check to be regenerated here. Because not only if it's, so sector, check if this sector is already present. Find in the chunks. And that is a chunk. Chunk indices, regenerate. Let's remove that. Okay, so this chunk then it's gonna come over here. Chunk indices.
Daddy,
Hmm.
I did a huge.
Maybe I also need
I
that.
did a huge bridge. Do you see my bridge?
No, Chichi.
Will you look at me with the telephone?
Hmm?
Will you look at me with the telephone? Come on, look at me with the telephone. Look at what I built.
Cast. Press the menu button.
What?
Press the menu button.
Okay, it's updating. Okay, now it's in view.
Oh. Are you back?
Look at my bridge
Okay.
and look how you go.
So can I save this as
Go like this. There, or there, or here.
extensions?
Or there.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, it's alright.
Installs page casting. All right. Let's give it on the side. Whoa. Sounds familiar. Okay. Okie dokie.
I'm so cooked.
You cooked? Yeah, I know.
I am cooked.
Okay. Should be able to go like this now. If not, we will not need regenerate. Then should be good to skip this. If it needs to be regenerated, then whoa, what? Okay, here we go. Moment of truth, and bada boom. Okay, it gets regenerated. That's pretty cool. It's not real time, but it's also not gonna hiccup the system. Uh-oh. 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 What happened? What just happened? Use the menu button. I should use the menu button too. Okay. I would say the respawn should be a bit more forgiving. So this is very annoying. When there's a respawn. Okay. Let's get the player's position. Then throw it in the air. So that's going to be get the position. And position is current position. Well, that's too long. Let's just make it P. And it's gonna be P dot X and P dot get Z. Gen Z, get Z. Okay. So this should just throw us in the air. Hoping there is air. And 20 meters in the air. Ah, that should be safe enough. Safe enough. Maybe you should also stop it from gaining velocity. Yeah. It's also character set velocity, and that's gonna be dph back 3 dots.
I don't know. Looks like I'm not the only one cooked. My AI is cooked.
0.
Yeah, maybe it needs to sleep.
Okay, so we stop it from falling.
I said,
All right, there we go. Wait, why is it? Why is it feeling like it's stuck? Okay, because there's a wall. Nice. So I feel like we should do a sanification of the blocks because this shouldn't really happen. No, well that's fine. It's just some. There's some just dirt, I think. So dirt has been planted there. Okay, yeah, that's just dirt. But this dark spot is really not that nice. All right, interesting. What is going on here? Why is it so blue? And why is the water so shallow here? So the water shouldn't be that shallow there. I would say I could introduce a pass of water flooding. So every block should normalize somehow. The level of water. So for each block, just check if there is any water and to be flooded in. That might make it a bit nicer. Yeah, up to the point where the water could make it a bit nicer to see. Now that's for the touches. New frustum respawn. What if the menu button would allow me to respawn? Action, respawn. So that's going to be game button. Menu? Oops. That's menu, right? the little 3 lines one. Okay. It's working. It's working great. Let's see if I can build jumping. And jump build. Oh wait. The player's getting stuck. Ah! Gimbal lock. Yeah, I think this is a classic gimbal lock. Why is it locking? Yeah, because it depends on... Ah. Oh, well. When I'm looking down, it's hard to move, right? Oh, it's hard to move. Whoa, this is the tallest. This is the tallest
Of what?
pillar ever built. Let's see if there's any limit. Oh. Oh, I think there's some sort of limitation here. Inside this box. Why is it not? So this is in the data, but it's not rendering. It's not rendering and it's not generating any collision. But it's in the raw data. Look at this tiny world. This is a tiny world. Okay, let's jump off the cliff. Whoa! And look at the trick. So this is another bug. This is a feature. Whoa. You can jump. Oh, you can actually climb. It's not a bug. It's a feature. All right. Well, okay, that's good.
Leave that feature.
I'm gonna leave it as a feature.
Leave that feature, Daddy.
Okay. It's a great feature. Okay. Now, I want to add some fog. I want to add some fog. Let's see. How do I add fog to, well, actually, let's do it in the context of the shader.
And I made on the airplane video game, not the airplane, but the helicopter.
Oh, there is a helicopter.
Now you can change planes.
Ah, I know they can change planes, but there is no helicopter, is it?
No, you can change planes, but that is the helicopter.
Ah, you can pick a helicopter too.
Yeah,
Ah.
that is the only helicopter.
Ooh.
Look at just.
All right.
I
How
made
do I add
it for super high.
fog to shader?
Even that high.
Ah, you broke it. How do I add fog? Never done fog. Let's see what it comes up with. C++ side, we need to update the constant buffer that's sent to the GPU each frame to include fog properties.
Damn, I was muted. Same chat. So damn, look at this. Look at this fucking profile.
I was muted too.
Yeah, it happens. Look at this. Like, you're fucking push every day.
Push-ups. You're doing push-ups.
No, this bot following me. Yeah. It's just so funny. They're coming to GitHub now. They're leaving social media and they're coming to.
Imagine botting on GitHub.
It gets weird, I guess.
All right. It's time to add some fog. Because right now I'm getting clipped by the distance. Does it look nice? By the way, how am I gonna do some shadows?
Ooh, shadows are expensive. I'd find the cheapest of cheap.
Yeah, that would be vertex shadow.
Honestly,
And
I don't do any real-time shadow like at all. I like that's like something you can consider like, patch 2.3 or something like that. Like just if you want something, I'd do like a static, like of something you can bake and then throw the texture on top, right?
Yeah, that would be definitely baked. Baked into the vertex buffer.
I'll tell you right now, I would not put too much time in it. Like patch 2.0, once the build's out, you can consider some of that extra fine polishing.
No, I think that there is like a level of ambient occlusion at least, and some shadow, because if you're gonna make caves, you don't want it to be like super bright. So there might be some occlusion.
Fall down that rabbit hole for too long.
No, definitely. But yeah, it kind of feels a bit weird when there is some textures that is like all the same, and you don't even understand what's the shape of the terrain.
I would just try to fake it. I don't know, somehow, like maybe just
Yeah, it's normal maps, man. Normal maps.
put a texture on like the camera or something like that, and then like just kind of have like a sphere that detects if you're got a roof above you and a floor, but and you just kind of dim
Wait.
the.
I mean,
dim
you're
the-
using a wait, no, you're making a voxel thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like a technique where you probably have one mesh per chunk, right?
There is one mesh per chunk. Yeah, it's a 32 cube mesh.
Yeah, okay. But there's a thing you can do that's that's actually like way more performant, and it gives you a lot of like tricks you can do. And that's splitting it up into 6 meshes. Every mesh is only like responsible for one side, you know. So there's one mesh for all the like pointing up,
I gotta take a leak. We're back.
you know. Yeah. And then
Um,
what you can do is you can basically change out the lighting of them.
that's actually what I've done recently.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I just started doing. I needed to implement greedy meshing, and that already
Yeah.
forces me to think of slices. So, and also, I was thinking that when you're looking a cube from a from a direction, you will only be able to see three of the 6 faces every time. So there's no need to draw all of the other faces. Like you'll never.
No, that's like one of the advantages of that. But
Mhm.
what issue are you having right now?
No, really, I just wanted to make it a bit nicer. So creating some fogs because I could see the clipping plane, the far plane clipping into the geometry, and pretty cool. Also, when you get into the water, it's just transparent like this. There's like no non-existing water. So I wanted to have some sort of fog that, yeah, simulates.
Just add like a post-process effects.
I don't have post-process effect. I don't think I can afford that.
No.
I'm trying to stay at 120 frames per second on the Quest 2.
I see. Just make the depth, man. Just make the depth be the fog.
Um, the depth, yeah. I was trying to avoid using the depth texture because I want to keep it in binning memory, so the tile memory, and never have it stored back to GPU memory.
Well, you can approximate the like distance from every single block, you know, that you're looking
Yeah,
at.
yeah. I was thinking more to do it on the CPU when
Yeah.
the chunk is already generated.
Then you can do that, you know, you like check the every block and you can check the distance to it, and then you can like grayscale it a bit.
Yeah, and that should also solve uh, the cave's occlusion problem.
Yeah. I mean, it will be like a little bit blocky, but you can just call it art style.
Yeah, I mean it is already blocky world, so I don't really.
Yeah.
I've seen some videos like going crazy with with the direction of the diagonal. I'm probably not gonna care about that.
Yeah. Just check the distance.
Oh, it's time to commit. Yeah, try to run it on the Quest 1. That didn't happen. Because the Quest 1 it hasn't been updated in a while, and even the OpenXR runtime didn't have an update. So I think it doesn't have the Vulkan Enable 2 extension. So I don't really want to spend time going back to the old method just to find out that it doesn't run because it doesn't have Vulkan features. Because Vulkan is gonna be enabled later, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to find all the extensions that I'm using. Also, I'm not sure people are still using it. So threaded mesh generation, regeneration, threaded mesh regeneration. What else? I messed a bit. These I don't wanna. Yeah, I don't wanna submit to those. Is this gonna complain? Yeah, this is probably going to affect request 2. Offset, that's fine. Dynamic state primitive. Yeah, remove that.
Damn, hello?
And the radius.
Sat on my mouse and I don't know,
This is good.
I like stretched it out. Like it's not full screen.
It looks good. Chunk mesh. By the way, yeah, oh yeah. Now thread mesh regeneration and new measure per slice measure. Let's say this is enough. Do I need to do anything here? I'm gonna leave this at this is. All right, and that's good. Yeah. Wait. Oh boy, that is bad. How is it back?
The
You gotta go. See you later.
Yeah. I'm out. Catch you later, Omni.
See ya.
Yeah, I
Where-
mean sleep.
Yeah, good choice.
Yeah, see ya.
Oh, there's no questcraft, GG. There is not.
Why did you buy it?
I didn't buy it.
Why did you get it?
It doesn't work.
Why? I need to see how it doesn't work.
And run it. Run it.
But there's no button of quest craft.
Because you look on the one with the one with the question mark. Go on the left. Yes, that one. Yes. There's quest craft. Scroll down. Yes, that's the last one. It's the last one. Click on the last one. Yeah. There you go. But you'll see it's not gonna run. So update solid. I'll add fog color, fog start, fog end.
Oh,
Modify frame constant. View depth. I don't know. Okay, let's do that. Reflecting on fog integration.
Daddy,
Mm.
how do you play it?
You don't play it, it doesn't work. Let's see. Yes, final color, saturate, blurb. Okay, let's go with it for it. Baby do boom. Reflect, reflect. I will now modify app to pass and distance values. Okay.
Too much. Ah,
You did too much. Told.
let's grab.
What are you doing? Oh boy. Generating. I was thinking. You're thinking too much. My bro.
Daddy,
Hmm.
you know what is happening on all of this line? On all of this thing?
Hmm.
It's spitting hot air.
Yes. Let me close this then. Close it, and it should stop. Did it stop? Switch it off. Switch it with the button. No, the button. Push that. Okay.
Start spitting that.
Should we make what? 1%. You use the whole battery. Give it to me. What the heck? You drained it. Gemini is responding, but it's not. Did you get stuck? Oh, okay. It's not. Okay, what? What? What is that? Why are you doing that? Why do you want to do that? Import. Create. What the? Player. Why did you want to do that? No, no, don't play with these controllers. Why the heck do you want to do that? Really noise.
Daddy,
Hmm.
where are the things?
Well, that's a lot of things.
Which one? Where are the things? These things for the Quest 1?
What the things?
Yeah.
The controllers. They're in the box. Let's leave it now. What?
Why are it supposed to be in the box?
It can't be all over the places. What are you doing? Block type. Oh, here we go. Here's the fog. What is all this thing? I just need the fog. Fog start, fog end. That's all. Projection, fog start, fog end. I think that's all of it. No, lie. The agent is paused. I'm gonna reject this.
Off.
Okay. There you go. Here's the block that you need to update. Stop it. Okay. Per frame constant. Okay. Staging buffer. Update per frame constant.
When is test? Try.
Solid flat. Are these lines for the fog? And there you go. They should do it. Let's see. No, stop it. I don't even know if it's gonna work. Let me try it first. Oh, what happened here? The layout. Scripter set. What?
What the heck? I think
Wait, there's no fog. There is no fog.
No.
Ah,
No fog.
solid. Okay. Hey. So, shader bit, fragment shader bit uses descriptor set 0. Hey. Shader bit. Yeah. Textures and sampler. Per frame constant. Okay, let's add fragment. Let's see if that fixes things. All right, running. It is running. Nothing. Wait, is there any error so far? Okay, no errors. That's good. Stop it. And oh, look, we got some fog. Foggy bottom. Press the menu button. The three lines. There you go. Ooh, mamacita. Ooh, mamacita.
You mama.
Lava fog. That's a lava fog. You see, now it also builds without getting stuck. Jump. Ah, do you need to stop, Gigi?
Why?
Look. No, so you can just climb it. Ugh. Ah. Stop it.
But how did you do that tower?
I just jumped. Jump.
Mine is super low. I will just do another one then.
Hmm. There you go. Now. Not too fast. Jump and then quickly press twice. There you go. Bah.
Oh yeah.
Ah. Wait, don't Rush. You go too fast. No rushing. Okay. Stop moving around.
I'm not doing anything.
There you go. See? Just wait before jumping. Okay, go. Jump. Now you're building. Let's see if the fog is... Okay, the fog is...
You, Daddy,
Doing
stop
good
touching those
Oh.
buttons.
You are the one that's making it. Alright. Ooh. The foggy bottom.
Can you make me up of that tower?
Then stop moving around.
Okay.
You just jump and jump. There you go.
Okay. I stop.
Oh, you reached the limit of the world.
Do you want to see how high?
Wait, stop that. So that's the limit of the world. But let's see if we can crank that up a bit.
Daddy,
Hmm.
I did the limit of the world.
So the
And
chunk,
you didn't.
the chunk generation. We can increase the limit of the world. I don't remember what it is.
10 meters.
Generation -1 size. Generate chunk size.
The limit I want to do it even higher.
Size chunk size. I don't remember. Oh no, wait, that is here in the neighbors. Generate neighbors. It's gonna do side y. Y is -1, -2. Let's do -3. No, well, deep is fine. You can go a bit deeper even if you want.
What?
Otherwise gonna be +3. -1 + 1. Y +1. Oh, I don't know. Let's do 3. So this should make it go even higher.
Oh yeah, I want to arrive to the limit.
There's no limit.
Huh.
I can make it as big as you want. But then it depends on the device. Just wait, it's generating. Okay. There
My
you go.
tower?
Oh, that's my tower.
That's my tower. But look how high it is.
Yeah.
And look how short it is.
That's not short. Oh, come on.
I will arrive to the limit.
Okay, go to the limit. Yep. Please jump. Where are you? Don't jump too fast. Go. You need to get closer. Get closer. Keep pushing forward. Okay, not too fast, Chichi. You always jump too fast. Wait, there's... Ah! Yeah.
Go.
Whee! Oh. too much. It's hard because I cannot watch up for. Ah. Why does this view bug? Where is it? Climbing is really hard. Let's go. Super fast. Ah, almost made it. Okay, 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 okay. Ah! It's just that I need to. Okay, I need to look down. There you go. Ah, yeah, it is better to look down. Yeah, just look down. Go forward. No. Ah, finally. Wait. Wait. Oh, it's not building. Ah!
Why did you do it?
Oh, sorry.
Now you go up.
Ah,
You
I think there's some kind of limit that I don't know. Ah. Okay. So
give me.
wait,
give
stop
me-
it. It's not even showing me the box. Is it? What is going on? Where is the box?
There.
Yes, but okay. Oh, here we go. We're back to building. Back in the building business. Oh boy. The world is fading away. The world is fading into fog. Yeah, the fog must be a bit more. Ah! We need more fog quicker. We need fog faster.
Oh yeah, baby.
More fog and faster.
No,
Now
don't
you need to look downwards. I told you.
Is that mine?
No, that's mine.
Oh yeah, baby.
You need to look downwards. Look downwards, okay? Not too much, otherwise you can't go forward.
Like that.
Like this. Go. Move forward. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, back, 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 back. Okay. Oh, you did it again.
You should do it, Daddy.
Ah,
You make me go up. If I fall, you go up, and I build and fall.
oh, it's getting increasingly. Ah, it's getting harder and harder to go up. No, 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 no. You can't, no, 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 no. Well, okay, that's enough, Chichidai. That's enough. You can't keep building upwards.
Look how high my.
I know it's very tall. I know.
That high, and yours is flop.
Hey, it's a bit shorter, but it's not that bad.
I want to do the limit.
Yeah, they. Okay, that's enough, Chichi. We got fog. I need to tweak it a little bit.
No,
I want to tweak it a bit.
you do it when I play.
Oh, come on, Chichi.
No, no.
Stop it.
Can you make me go up?
Where?
Up on the tower.
Oh, not again. Ah,
That was close, like that. Okay.
oh, you did it again. You need to jump. Stop. You broke it again.
Look how high my.
I know.
It's much more higher in your.
Okay, come on, die.
No,
No, that's enough.
look, yours is plopping, mine is super high.
I know, it's super high.
It's going green the higher.
Yeah.
Why?
It's going green because yeah, because of the texture. I need to make mip maps. Yeah, I need to make mip maps.
What
I
are
guess.
map?
Also, it's bleeding into the other texture. It shouldn't be bleeding. Mm. But I don't really know how to solve that. Maybe you should repeat backwards. Whoop. Yep. Okay. Should we do popcorns?
Yeah, look how low yours is.
Yeah, that's not fair. That's the whole world. It's not that bad.
I think I arrived to the limit.
Give me. No, I don't think that's the limit. Oh yeah, maybe. Wait, you surpassed the limit again. Yeah, because you're inside the blocks you built, but they never. Yeah, you surpassed the limit once again. But it can be infinite, the limit. It doesn't have to be. But it's useless. Okay.
Daddy, look up. Look up.
Yeah, you can't even see it because there is a fog.
Look.
I know.
It's super.
It's super high.
And you look at
Yeah.
you. Look at you.
Yeah, okay, I know.
You didn't even surpass the limit.
It doesn't matter.
I am super high.
Okay. Okay, let's close that. We have some fog.
Do the fog how you want.
Um,
And then
I want to tweak.
make the limit even higher.
Oh, come on, this high limit.
No, even higher, higher. Higher, because I like building the tower.
Eh,
You know what I
what? Alright, I'm gonna take a break.